Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change currency on Binance. So by default, when you create a Binance account, currency is set as USD and payment is set to your country's currency. So if you want to change it, just go to your Binance account. Then once you're here, tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner of your screen, and next on your profile page, just go down here and tap on settings. Then under settings, go to currency. Here you'll see it is set to USD as I said earlier, and now to change it, just tap on it. The different list of currencies will open up on your screen, so just go ahead and select your preferred currency from this list. So once it's selected, just go back and your currency will be changed on your account. You can also change payment currency if you want by tapping on it. Then next on this list, select your preferred currency, and once you're done, a currency will be changed on your Binance account. So it's that simple. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.